Welcome and welcome back to my channel, everyone. Do you know what you're seeing on the screen? It is ofe nsala, known as white soup. Do you know the right spice to use, right ingredients, and the best leaf for it? Keep watching, because in this video I'm going to be sharing a detailed explanation on how to make this. Let's dive into making it, everyone. So first, I'll be using stockfish ribs just to add flavor to the white soup, everyone. So this is washed off camera and using warm water. So remember to use warm water to wash. Yes. Next is my dried catfish, already washed off camera with warm water, and also the bones is already removed. And then I'll be using beef for the first time to make white soup. It did came out well, so keep watching because I'll be sharing with you how I prep it. Now, I always like to use the brown bomo, known as cow skin. You can decide to use the white one or even cow stripes. And next in my list, I'll be introducing everything. This is not all the ingredients. As you can see, I've not introduced the spice, the leaves, and every other thing. So let's first start with this one, and as this one will be on fire, I'll be introducing others, so don't go away. So in a clean pot, I transferred my already washed beef. To season, I go with, okay, I will be adding my stockfish rib, and to season I will be going with my garlic, some salt to taste, and then seasoning to taste. And to that I'll be adding my yellow chili pepper. This time around I pound this yellow chili pepper. You can decide to blend yours, and then I go in with my chopped onions and blended garlic, ginger, and some onions. Everyone, onions is very expensive right now, so we have to minimize whatever we're using. So after that, just stir it to combine and allow it to cook for 10 minutes on a medium flame. And while that is on fire, this is our number one spice. It is known as oziza seed, and we call it black pepper. This is number one spice. If you want to have that tasty white soup, this must be your number one spice. If you open it, if you crack it open, it is white inside. So I'll be pounding this off camera, everyone. And our second spice is this very spice. Do you know what this is called? In my place we call it oyogiri. So this you just need to rinse and put in the soup. You don't need to pound it. So keep watching and see when I introduce that to the soup, everyone. So back to our beef. Now you can see that it has water. It has produced its own water, and I'll be allowing it to cook until it absorbs all this water, thereby absorbing the ingredients or the seasoning used for the beef, and it will make your beef tasty. So after allowing it to take on all the water, I'll be adding more water to allow it to cook properly. We don't want to eat hard beef, we want it soft. Keep watching. So let's go back to prepare the thickener. So we'll be using fresh yam, and this is the quantity of yam I will be using. So I'll just go ahead and peel off the skin and prepare it and get it ready to be added to the pot. Everyone, hello. If this is your first time in my channel, you are highly welcome. If you're returning back, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you could get alerts when new videos are updated. Don't forget to watch my playlist. I have a lot of Nigerian recipes. So our yam is ready, and at this point the beef is properly cooked. So I will go ahead and add more water, enough water for the quantity of soup I'm making. And to that I transfer the dried catfish, the yam, Please remember to cut your yam in small size so it can easily done. Okay, so after that, just take your turning stick and make sure they sink inside, and I'll be adding some seasoning to taste. And then to that, I'll be adding my oil cream at this point so it can release its flavor. This very spice have a lot of health benefits, and it has a nice flavor to your white soup. And to that, I'll be adding my already blended crayfish. Use according to your taste, and then more yellow chili pepper to taste. Don't forget to use chili pepper according to your taste. In fact, this soup is super suitable for this weather. The weather is super cool, so this is really going to help. At this point, I also added my black pepper, that is uziza seed, and then mixed it to combine. And at this point, I will be allowing it to cook. While it is cooking, this is the best leaf you could use for white soup. It is called uziza leaf, black pepper leaf. The black pepper seed with the black pepper leaf gives a nice flavor and a nice aroma to your white soup. So I will call that off camera. At this point, the yam is ready. I will go ahead and remove each and every one of it, and then pound it. You can use your yam process. So if you don't have mortar where you live, and if you don't have yam where you live, I will leave a link at the description box down below where I prepare white soup without yam taken up for those in diaspora. Okay, diaspora. And at this point, after pounding, I'll just transfer it into the pot and allow it to cook. So after cooking for about 5 minutes, you notice that the yam has almost melted, and the consistency of the soup is not light, it is not thick. So once you have this consistency you're seeing on the screen, remove the remaining yam, because if you allow it to continue to melt or dissolve into this soup, your soup will come out thick like a porridge. Yam, we are not cooking porridge. And at this point, check for salt, check for seasoning, check if everything is okay, and then I will go ahead and add my uziza. I also added a straw leaf known as garden egg leaf, that is ara, to give it a bit of sweet bitter taste. So our soup is ready. It can go with any swallow. Believe me, goes best with pounded yam or fufu. So this is our soup. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this simple white soup recipe. Do you like it? Would you like to try it? Give me your feedback at the description box down below when you do that, please. And don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to watch the ads, supporting my channel by watching the ads and also sharing it. All right, stay safe, stay connected. See you in my next video, and bye for now.